Could you please get a doctor? She's lost a lot of blood. Hurry, please. She's...
Well, you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.
Oh no, Savannah, no.
Quand c'est bien.
새벽? That's a pretty name.